happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Good morning, guys. The birthday boy has woke up. Mommy, you're eating roti early morning?
Not early morning.
Oh, not early?
Almost 10:30.
Almost 10:30. Ah, and the other organism still sleeping. Guys, microbacteria is still sleeping. It is his birthday also.
1 hour later.
The bacteria woke up. So today, technically, it is their birthday, but you are watching it on 6th. So I hope you have wished them yesterday already. If not, you can still wish them. He's old now, guys. He can get married now. The fungus become mushroom. Since there is no cake, we'll give this to the birthday fungus. Fungus boy, happy birthday to you. Eat the apple and enjoy your life. Jay's apple, guys. Guys, check this out. Who's here? Hey.
हर चीज रिकॉर्ड करना जरूरी है, कुछ चीज पर्सनल नहीं रखना चाहते।
Ah, so she's an old friend from Delhi, but originally from Nepal. Hey, hello to Nepal. Hey.
Yes.
And Jay is responding to replies.
I can't reply like that too much even.
James is a really good guy and I miss him so much.
Aww.
We have been together in Delhi and seriously, I miss you so much, James.
Oh, I miss you
now seeing you
too.
growing,
Hey, what about me?
it's you are the most special person. I cannot lie from this.
Khatam.
I seriously miss you, James. Sometimes I feel like crying.
Aww, I miss you
But
too.
it's okay.
Sad life. So guys, since it's their birthday and everything is locked down, we'll bake cake at home in mommy's style, guys. We'll use sand. We'll use sand of time and we'll bake cake. Yeah, we'll bake in pot. So now let's go to the store. We'll bring maida, butter and elaichi. And Papa is making chai again, guys. Let's go. Wait. This road is khatam. Oh my god. Like no one repairs this road, this street, this alley. Everything is locked down. It's their birthday and he's very happy.
He's very happy.
Sanjay the copycat boy.
Sanjay the copycat boy.
What happened to you?
What happened to you?
Sanjay is grown up now, guys, but he's acting like a child.
Acting like a child.
Stupid boy.
Stupid boy.
Maida adhi kilo and butter
Butter a kilo?
and elaichi. So we bought what we need, and this is Kali. Duck parade happening, guys. Hey, duck parade. Now back at home, Suraj will start the fire and preheat the soil. And also we are boiling. Hey, this is empty, so we'll boil egg here because we are hungry. So if you preheat the water, the eggs won't explode. Alright, mom, so tell us the steps, the process to make cake, to bake.
First of all, you sieve the maida.
Acha. Filter. We filter the maida.
This is baking powder. Half teaspoon. This is baking powder. This is baking soda. This also half. Okay. This is salt.
So this is sugar powder. Now we are adding a lot of things already.
And elaichi also added here.
Okay. So we'll mix everything properly. So if you want to if you want to bake cake at home, you can just follow along. Butter time. We're adding butter. Where is the Blackie boy? The Blackie boy went to start fire and he is here. Blackie boy starting fire. And guys, we are not able to use our oven because we don't trust our oven anymore after the last incident. And also the floor is all wet and the fire won't burn properly for the cake to be ready. So we trust this instead. So we'll fire here and we'll bake the cake inside a pot using soil. So yeah.
Sand.
Oh, sand. Vocabulary boy active again. Hey. So we'll use sand. Oh, soil.
Sand.
Sand. Okay, we'll use sand. Suraj can lit fire.
Light.
Suraj can light fire. Let's not open our mouth in front of this boy. Otherwise, he will say even my breathing technique is wrong.
It's wrong. I have been telling you.
Khatam. After adding butter, mom is adding eggs. How many eggs? 3 eggs. So 3 eggs added. So we'll mix all this together properly. And the lizard boy is trying to make something out of paper. Mummy is the bakery wala. Mummy is the baker. Are you the baker?
Yes. For today. For Sonumonu.
Yes.
All the bakery shops are closed.
Mm-hmm.
I'll make myself mommy cakes.
Mummy cake, guys. Mummy special. This is how you mix the batter. So we applied butter to the floor, and the thing which Jay made will be the floor of the cake, the base. The basement of the cake is a paper, guys. I think the eggs are ready. Guys, making vlog every day is not the difficult part. The difficult part is to make it interesting every day and to edit them every night, and you get to sleep for like 6 hours, 5 hours sometimes, because you sleep at 1:32 because your editing process is long and you have to edit a lot of videos because you have 3 channels, and yeah, that is the difficult part. But thank you so much, guys, for your help and for your support, because without you guys I wouldn't like get the drive to make the videos like in the first place. So thank you so much for your love and support, and please keep supporting. I know sometimes it don't get interesting, sometimes it's boring, but still stick around, and yeah, let's make it interesting together, because yeah, you guys are awesome. Which one is the big one? Oh, this one. Now let's go and see what is going on in the kitchen. Oh,
Frying the sand.
mom dad frying sand. So today we'll eat sand. Sand, halwa sand, guys. We're making halwa out of sand. See, it looks like halwa. So this is required in order to bake the cake, because we first preheat the sand, and then above the sand we'll keep the batter in the pot, whatever you call it. If someone don't have sand, how do they bake?
You can preheat the salt.
What salt?
Tata salt, any salt.
Oh, so in place of sand they can use salt.
Yes.
After they use the sand, I mean salt, can they use it for cooking again?
Yes.
Nice. So no loss, guys.
No loss.
Okay, much later. Now we'll start to bake. So we are pouring the batter in the mold. Walking towards the kitchen. The sand is about to be ready. Now we'll put everything inside, and then we'll have to wait for 1 hour. And then we'll need this stand. Okay. Now how will you put that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wrong calculations. So we'll need to change the pot anyway. Like not the pot, we need to change the container.
So we change the pot.
Do we have a bigger mouth? Yeah, we can change the pot also, because the sand is already heated. So this is our church, and it's all dark, and since there is lockdown we are not able to do the worship and all. Wow. Okay, mom found a big one. Nice. So this one will fit like easily. So this is in comparison. So that's the old one and this is the new one. Awesome, let's do it. The struggle is real, guys. So guys, if you want to bake a cake, make the measurements first. Put the stand. Oh, be careful. Nice. So this is how you put. So easy. We'll use this pot, which is very hot. Oh wait.
Let me do it.
It's so hot. What happened? Try to rotate it a little bit.
Wait, I'll search another lid.
Okay. Make sure there is no air leakage, but there's a big gap. Wow. What an oven. Okay. What an oven, guys. And guys, last time you said use pipe, so now we have pipe. Awesome. Mom found 2 options. Now we'll try if the 2 options will work. I think it's a bit loose.
Let us put here brick.
Okay. We have a lot of bricks, guys. Smoke entering my eyes again for the 3rd time. So we'll check back after 1 hour, and then hopefully the cake will be ready by then.
1 hour later.
Now the time is almost 5 and we're going back. and this time we'll come back with the cake. Smells good already, guys. Wow. Wow. Soft cake.
Yes.
Wow, guys. The cake looks yummy. Now we'll cut and eat. Hey. But mom cannot eat because it is made of maida and sugar.
Baking for two lazy boys.
Baking for 2 lazy boys. That's what mom said. And what are the birthday boys doing? One has become a cocoon again, and the other organism is lying down with face flat. The time is 5:30 and the cake is cooled down, and mommy is gonna flip the cake upside down. Nice. Look at the crust, guys. It's all brown. Nice. What a cake, guys.
Let them cut.
Looking for candles. Oh.
The candles, so many candles. Like this one.
Oh, small one.
This one.
Okay.
Where is
Would like 2 or one more?
yes.
So there are 2 candles, 2 boys and 2 candles.
Like
happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, now 1, 2.
Where is the song?
Make a wish. Sing fast. I'll blow this one.
Okay.
You blow that one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear twin bro. Happy birthday to you. They slice it half.
You cannot eat, so I'll eat for mommy.
Oh.
This tastes like banana cake.
Right.
Mommy the acting Caribbean.
Mom can bite one small bite. I think you can eat one small bite.
No,
One small piece.
not.
Yeah. All right. So this is the birthday cake, and this is the birthday. So this is how we celebrate birthday.
No fancy birthday party required. It tastes exactly like banana cake.
Banana cake without banana, guys. Because of the egg, it tastes like banana. Cake is yummy. Awesome, guys. Amazing grace. Now the 2 boys are old now because they just ate cake. Their birthday is complete. Find yourself wives now.
Talk to yourself first. Find yourself wife.
Find yourself wives, you
We
too.
need bauju.
Not only Bautu, we need Bori also.
We need bauju first.
Alright guys, we'll catch you in another video. Till then, take care.